welcome back to my channel, Rain or Shine. We are back in County Mayo. In today's video, we are going to visit first Westport, one of the most charming towns in Ireland. Join us until the end because we will show you other stunning places near Westport. Westport is a town in the west coast of Ireland in County Mayo. It has been suggested to us multiple of times by Irish locals in our top 5 small towns in Ireland video. Sure enough, the town did not disappoint us. Westport was mainly designed by the 18th century architect Robert Wyatt and is considered as one of the most beautiful towns along the western coast of Ireland. We loved its colorful buildings and lively streets. There are plenty of cute little shops and so many food places too. We had a quick brunch in this cafe before visiting Westport House. Westport House is a 400-year-old historic house within 400 acres of unspoilt beauty. It is one of the few privately owned historic houses in Ireland. Luckily, its grounds are open to the public. Visiting the house is a great activity for families with kids. They have a Pirates Adventure Park with rides and other attractions near the mansion. The ticket price inside the mansion includes an interesting guided tour.
Interior design as well. So the interior of the house is
Your friends are here?
Sí.
What are you doing?
Just checking my land.
Did you buy this?
We just finished visiting the Westport House and it's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it because we've learned a lot about Irish history, and also with the price that we paid, we are helping to restore the mansion. We have finished visiting the town of Westport and now we are going to Airbnb and check in.
Afterwards, we're going to the beach because it's finally sunny.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all.
I really loved the accommodation that we stayed at because of its friendly owners and countryside atmosphere. Our room was clean and comfortable, but what I loved the most was their cute and playful dog. Behind me is the famous Croagh Patrick. We were supposed to climb that mountain this morning, but it was totally covered by clouds. Hopefully, tomorrow we will have better luck. So now we are heading to Bertra Beach.
I wanna take you out, show you what I'm all about.
We chose to watch the sunset at Bertra Beach. This spectacular beach is famous for walkers and bird watchers.
I don't care about you, and I don't care about what has
Chano just arrived from his sunrise photos, but there was no sunrise. So now we're gonna head off to eat our breakfast. Are you ready to climb Croagh Patrick? This is your practice.
Full to climb Croagh Patrick.
We have to go. It makes it so hard to leave. We have to go. It's so loud.
Croagh Patrick is a peak steeped in history, religion, and mythology. The mountain has a height of 764 meters. Croagh Patrick is one of Ireland's most stunning mountain climbs, with its unique conical shape towering above the edge of the Atlantic Ocean on the rugged West Irish coast.
We are so lucky because Croagh Patrick is perfectly visible today. Finally, we are going to climb the most sacred mountain in Ireland.
Croagh Patrick is the holiest mountain for Irish people. Thousands of pilgrims still climb this mountain on the last Sunday of July, some of them even barefoot. It is really an intense hike due to the rocky terrain and the almost constant steep inclination.
Someone is struggling.
Not struggling. Not struggling. Not struggling.
Now lie down.
On a clear day, it offers panoramic views of the hundreds of tiny green drumlin islands in Clew Bay, the wild Atlantic Way, the gorgeous tourist town of Westport, and the surrounding mountain ranges. After a very tiring climb to the mountain of Croagh Patrick, we had the most delicious brunch that we've ever tasted before going back to Dublin.
After eating a delicious and very late brunch, we are heading back to Dublin. And tomorrow, we're gonna go back to work. That ends our well-spent weekend in County Mayo. We will for sure come back in this stunning county because there are still so many places to explore. So if you want to follow our adventure, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And please give this video a big thumbs up because it will help us grow. Until next time, keep exploring, rain or shine.